BYD are going to overtake Tesla on pure battery electric vehicle sales this year. I've said before, BYD are likely to overtake Tesla in their pure battery electric vehicle sales this year. I said it at the beginning of the year. So if we take a look, here we go, at the global deliveries, BYD actually did go and beat them once. That was at the end of last quarter, but for the whole year they were only just behind. Quarter one they dropped down a bit, but quarter two they've caught up. And the way that they are progressing, I know BYD will sell more battery electric vehicles than Tesla. Now that's a good thing, because the more BEVs we've got in the market, the better it's going to be. So this looks like quite a good move. Now BYD, as I've said before, is expanding into many countries. And I'm going to come to its latest factory that was opened on the 3rd of July, just a few days ago, later on in this video. So as I've said, BYD, they're going great guns, and it's looking like that they're going to start a Turkey plant. Now this is quite clever, because Turkey has got easier access to the European Union, and as you know, the EU at the moment are looking at Chinese government subsidies to EV manufacturers and how this is unfair competition, and they want to stick tariffs on. If they're going to be building them in Turkey, that may well give them easier access with lower tariffs into the EU. Now, the Turkish president, Erdogan, is expected to announce the deal on Monday, which I'm videoing this on Saturday the 6th, so that will be Monday the 8th. That's according to a report. Now, as I've said, this is going to give BYD easier access to the European Union, because Turkey has a customs union agreement, whatever that is. I think it just means it's easier for them. Now, the domestic market in Turkey, EVs accounted for 7.5% of Turkey's car sales last year. And they got a population of nearly 90 million. So that's a reasonable thing, 7.5%. Australia is only at about 9%. So it's a good potential new business area for BYD. So BYD have recently just gone and opened Thailand. So BYD Thailand plant was officially opened on the 3rd of July, which was only 3 days ago. And as it opened, its 8 millionth NEV rolled off, but it was a Dolphin. So that's good news. It's a brand new factory making NEVs, but they're making electric vehicles there. So BYD officially entered the Thai market in 2022, and with the completion of this plant, it rolled out 8 millionth vehicle, and BYD have got a 41% share of the local new energy vehicle market. Now, as I said, NEVs, that's half plug-in hybrids, half pure electric. So it's looking quite good. Now, I've got a little bit of a video here of their official opening. So today being the 6th, it's a Saturday as I'm recording this. I'm actually going to Thailand tonight. Their new factory is in a province called Rayong, which is about a 45-minute drive east of Pattaya. Now I'm going to Bangkok. My son's there at the moment, and he's actually organised us for a day trip down to Pattaya. And I said, "Oh, can we go and have a look at the new BYD factory?" So we're going to get a car out there and have a look. Now, whether it'll just be outside viewing with the camera or getting in, no, I don't think that's going to happen. But I'll try and do a video of that next week when I'm going there. So all up, BYD have gone great guns. Thailand, they're building their EVs there. Now this plant has got a capacity, they say, of 150,000 vehicles per year. So that's reasonable, and it's wholly owned by BYD. They're going to be making the Dolphin, Seal, Atto 3, which is the Yuan Plus in China. And they've already got quite a good presence. I know I've been speaking to a couple of people in Thailand, and they're saying there's a lot of BYD EVs around here. So hopefully I'll be able to do a bit of a story on that when I'm there. So staying with BYD in Thailand, they've actually got 115 sales outlets there, which is quite good. Now, I have heard that there's a few problems with some of these sales outlets, some charging a bit more, some charging a bit less for exactly the same car. And I'll try and do a bit of investigative journalism while I'm there, maybe. I'm only there for about 10 days, and it's a pretty packed 10 days because I'm travelling around a fair bit. But I'll hopefully have a look-see. So what do you think of BYD and its expansion? I'm all for it. I did put out a video, I think it was late last year, that I was a bit concerned that they were expanding too quickly, but they're still showing a profit. So that's always a good sign. If you start showing losses as you're expanding, it's not quite so good. So BYD now in Thailand with a factory, possibly in Turkey as well. So this is all good news, I think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, there's that like and subscribe button and a ding dong bell somewhere there. So give those a click. It does help the channel and it costs you nothing. Now, if you would like to help support the channel, you can click on the link to Ko-fi and buy me a Ko-fi. Thank you to the people that have already done that. I really do appreciate it more than you can imagine, because I basically do this for free. YouTube, yeah, it's not a huge amount of money, so anything extra is a useful thing. So thank you very much to all those, and if you would like, down in the links below, Ko-fi. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all very soon.